Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures. I'm Michael Rice, and today we've got something that's going to flip your RC world upside down. Say hello to the ARRMA Ready to Run Notorious 8th Scale 6S BLX Brushless Stunt Truck. This beast has been a fan favorite for years, and now it's back, meaner, tougher, and ready to bash like never before. Let's dive right into what makes this the ultimate stunt truck for RC enthusiasts. First off, look at the retro 1950s body style. It's iconic. ARRMA has paired it with a new livery inspired by World War II fighter planes, complete with a rugged, clipless body retention system that makes maintenance a breeze. And that's just scratching the surface. The Notorious 6S BLX isn't just about good looks. This truck is built to perform. From long wheelies to standing backflips, it does it all. It's powered by a 6S capable Spektrum Firma system with a 2050 kV brushless motor and a Firma 150 amp Smart V2S, delivering jaw-dropping speed and insane stunt capabilities. And if you're not ready to tackle 6S power just yet, start with a 4S pack for a more controlled ride. Speaking of control, ARRMA's Spektrum SLT3 transmitter is here to help. With its throttle-limiting feature, you can cap the top speed at 50% or 75%, perfect for learning the ropes before unleashing full 6S madness. Durability? ARRMA didn't hold back. This version of the Notorious features EXB or Extreme Bash upgrades across the board. The new 7075 T6 aluminum chassis plate, reinforced wing mount, skid plate, and tower-to-tower brace make it practically unbreakable. Whether you're bashing through gravel, grass, or asphalt, this truck just keeps coming back for more. The suspension system is a work of art. With adjustable 16mm oil-filled shocks and independent all-terrain suspension, this truck soaks up every bump and keeps you in control, no matter how rough the ride. And those dBoots backflip tires, they grip like a dream, letting you pull off tricks you've only imagined. If you're looking for a truck that turns heads and pushes boundaries, the Notorious 6S BLX is it, and it's ready to run right out of the box. All you need is a battery, charger, and your imagination for stunts. So what do you think about the Notorious 6S BLX? Are you ready to take your bashing to the next level? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to RRC Remote Adventures, and hit that notification bell. We've got fresh RC content coming your way every single week, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, keep those RC dreams alive. See you next time.